Hi everyone, welcome back to Ditzy Beauty, and today I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into my makeup look. I'm gonna be using the palette Honey. So yeah, let's just hop into this palette. This is my first time using this palette. Alright, so once you get your eyeliner or your eye primer on, you're just from there. I'm gonna show you guys this palette really quick. And this is my palette, and the colors I'm using, it's an all yellow based palette, so bear with me. Also, I want to let you know that my brushes are orange stained from yesterday, but they are wiped off. There's no orange like transferring, they're just stained looking until I wash them. So yeah, just bear with me. Yeah, well anyways, let's go ahead and start with the shade. I think I'm gonna start a Sweet Spot, you guys. And this is gonna go on my upper lid. So, and I'm gonna use this flat brush that I have. And I'm gonna just trace my outline. Also, I did put tape on the side of my face. That just helps give you a nice clean line. And your makeup's not too far out. Okay, so that is going all over like so. The next color I'm gonna go in with is Totally Buggin', and I'm gonna go with the same flat brush. I'm gonna get a little bit on there, and I'm just gonna pop this just a little above my crease. A little bit of it's showing up, but it's blending so well, and I'm not even blending it yet. It's funny. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it in my crease. I thought I was just gonna put it above, but we're just gonna go ahead and just put that in my crease. Yeah, it's just blending so well. The next color I'm gonna be using is Buzzkill, and I'm gonna be taking my fluffy brush for this. And I'm gonna be dabbing that in Buzzkill, and this is just gonna be applied to my outer corner right here. So there is that. And then we are gonna take our, I don't know, you guys. Debating between Queen Bee and Stinger. I think I'm gonna apply Stinger. Yeah, I'm gonna apply Stinger. And I thought I was gonna be using these gold brushes, but I really am not. I'm gonna go back in with the flat brush, and I'm gonna be taking Stinger and placing this on my lid. And then I'll take my fluffy blending brush, and we'll just lightly dust that and blend it like so. And I am gonna go back in my crease. I will actually use this small like crease brush, and I'm gonna be using it with Totally Buggin', and I'm gonna just go back over my line I created to me. Which I think it kinda is. It's not the worst. Okay, well anyways, Totally Buggin's on there. And next I'm gonna be taking the a little bit of sunburst and putting that on my brow bone area. And sunburst is going up here by my eyebrow. And that's just highlighting anything up there. And then next, I'm just gonna take some Palooza and put Palooza on my lid. So there's Palooza, and then I'm gonna take Dandy with my finger, and I'm gonna be applying that just to my inner corner. And that is our yellow look. So I will go do this side and rest my face, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye!